Shiba Inu Shivast bulls are cooling off after a relatively adventurous week that saw the price of the meme coin jump by 6.93%. At the moment, some of its recently accrued gains are being paired off, showcasing a profit-taking scenario by market makers, a trend that many believe is necessary for a bullish rebound. Based on current market data, Shiba Inu is down $0.00000819, its first daily loss for the week. The trading volume has also dropped as low as 18.41%, as only $173,150,418 have been traded thus far on spot exchanges. Despite falling metrics, the proposition that Shiba Inu will chart another growth run is high, considering that many buyers will see the depressed pricing as an avenue to stack up with a discount. The social trends of Shiba Inu remain in a positive zone as, despite the current sell-offs, the token has a score of 66 on the Fear and Greed Index, proof that shows greed is still a major characteristic underpinning investors' interest. This greed can complement any major trigger the SHIB community is banking on to stir its revival moving forward. Banking on ecosystem fundamentals. The Shiba Inu ecosystem always has something to boast of, as the core developers are always making moves to bolster their offerings as it relates to products and services accessible to users. In one of the latest moves, the popular SHIB wallet introduces forget-proof recovery and email sign-in features to boost the user experience. Shiba Inu also brands itself as one of the most deflationary crypto projects around. Earlier this week, the protocol recorded an over 12,800% surge in its burn rate, as millions of SHIB were sent to dead wallets, boosting the scarcity of the meme coin in circulation. These bullish trends are bound to form the catalyst that can drive SHIB from its troubling low to a new height. The Shiba Inu Shivast cryptocurrency has recently presented a notable price-volume divergence that could signal an essential shift for traders and investors. This divergence, discernible on the current charts, is where the price action forms new highs without the support of increasing volume, indicating a potential lack of conviction behind the upward price movement. Historically, price-volume divergence can be a precursor to a market correction, as it suggests the movement is not backed by strong buying pressure. The divergence comes at a pivotal moment for SHIB. Despite the remarkable 19,000% surge in token burn volume reported recently, a first in several months, which usually indicates a reduction in supply that could lead to a price increase, Shiba Inu has not translated this into significant price performance. Moreover, SHIB has been struggling to sustain momentum to breach the 200-day exponential moving average, EMA, a commonly watched technical indicator that often acts as a dynamic resistance in bearish conditions and support in bullish markets. This EMA is a crucial threshold for SHIB. Staying below it may reinforce the bearish sentiment and impede potential rallies. The juxtaposition of an enthusiastic community engaged in token burns and the sobering technical analysis presents a complex landscape for SHIB's future price action. As the market at large braces for possible corrections, the ability of SHIB to maintain its current price levels may be tested. Investors and traders of SHIB should closely monitor these developments. The price-volume divergence, in combination with the token burn surge and the resistance faced at the 200 EMA, lays out a scenario where any bullish news could be quickly counteracted by a broader market downturn or a lack of follow-through in buying pressure. Trading platform Robinhood has revealed its intentions to expand into Europe in the coming weeks. The company is exploring establishing brokerage operations in the United Kingdom. It made this decision known on Tuesday, November 7th. The commission-free trading app made this announcement as it revealed its third-quarter results, indicating a revenue miss. Robinhood attributed the decline in its transaction-based revenue to reduced cryptocurrency trading volumes on the platform. The firm reported a net revenue of $467 million, slightly below the average analyst estimate of $478.9 million. Nevertheless, this marked a 29% growth compared to the same period last year. Transaction-based revenues declined by 11% year-on-year to $185 million, largely due to a 55% decrease in cryptocurrency notional volumes over the year, as stated in Robinhood's Tuesday announcement. Despite the decrease in cryptocurrency trading activity, Robinhood has ambitious plans for its crypto services. The company recently revealed its intentions to expand its services to Nevada and added support for the meme cryptocurrency Shiba Inu Shivast last month. Cointelegraph reached out for more information regarding the expansion to the EU but is yet to hear back from Robinhood. The move comes as some crypto firms have suspended serving UK customers thanks to new promotions rules that require crypto firms to provide clear risk labels and implement system changes that came into effect on October 8th. Back in June, Robinhood ceased support for cryptocurrencies listed in SEC lawsuits against Binance and Coinbase, including Cardano ADOS, Polygon Metacost, and Solana Solist. Presently, Robinhood facilitates trading for 15 various cryptocurrencies, such as Bitcoin Gust, Ether Ethist, Dogecoin Dogist, and Avalanche Avexist. This occurred when the US SEC targeted alternative cryptocurrencies, labeling them as security tokens. As a regulated exchange, Robinhood seeks to prevent clashes with the Federal Securities Regulatory Authority. Shiv Wallet is set to launch with an innovative feature set, including a forget-proof recovery system and an email-based sign-in capability, according to a November 7th announcement. This upcoming wallet service is designed to enhance the user experience by addressing some of the common challenges associated with digital asset management. Enhance security and user experience. Ahead of its release, Shiv Wallet has been announced to offer a recovery feature that deviates from the traditional reliance on seed phrases. Users will be able to recover their wallets using multiple-factor authentication, an approach that can provide a safety net for those who may forget their credentials. The wallet is also set to facilitate gasless transactions, which would allow users to conduct transactions without holding a network's native token. This feature could potentially streamline the transaction experience. Simplified onboarding. Shiv Wallet's upcoming integration of Web3 auth aims to simplify the user registration and login process, a move likely to attract users who are new or less technically inclined toward cryptocurrency. By utilizing just an email and password, the wallet seeks to reduce the hurdles of managing cryptographic keys while maintaining a non-custodial framework. This ensures that users retain full control over their private keys and assets. As reported by U.Today, SHIB development team has launched the SHIB Name Service, SNS. The service aims to simplify blockchain addresses with user-friendly domain names on the Shibarium Layer 2 network. BRC20-based token ORDI has seen a parabolic jump in its trading volume and price after the Binance exchange corrected the introduction error in its listing announcement for the token. At the time of writing, ORDI's trading volume is up 2,450% overnight, with a total of $597,539,420 traded overnight. Despite ORDI being the 120th ranked token, the trading volume places it in the top 12 of crypto traded on exchanges today. ORDI 1D chart. Source: CoinMarketCap. ORDI's price has equally gone parabolic, soaring as high as 84% before cooling down to 18% at the time of writing. The market value of ORDI is now pegged at $13.47, cementing its legacy as the pioneering token launched on the BRC20 protocol. In the earlier listing of ORDI, as announced by Binance, the exchange erroneously said it was listing ORDI as a token of the Ordinals protocol and not specifically as a BRC20, which in itself is a subset of the Ordinals protocol. The proper tagging has lent clarity to ORDI and cemented it as a viable asset that can attract Binance's attention. The listing announcement has helped return growth to ORDI, whose weekly growth rate has soared by 147.86%. Banking on Binance influence. Considering how uptight Binance Exchange has been in recent times, it is worth noting that the listing of ORDI can spell a good omen for the token. As the largest exchange in terms of trading volume and overall user count, Binance will give ORDI the right exposure it needs to consistently stay relevant, provided community enthusiasm does not lose steam soon. The listing gains better recognition as it comes at a time when the exchange is delisting different non-performing token pairs. One of the latest is the removal of the pairs associated with Shiba Inu Shivast, Terra, Luna, and Cardano ADOST, respectively.